Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us?
Hey my lovelies, first of all, a little bit sorry for the delay about putting this tutorial, but here we go. So I'm gonna start with the skincare, and for this particular look I'm using my Too Cool for School moisturizer and Caudalie anti-aging anti-wrinkle eye cream. And to give my face a little bit of a hydration, I'm just using my Amore Pacific skin hydration mist. So you know, I have a very bad acne problem going on my skin right now. I'm not really sure what's going on. It's just the breakouts are really big and they're all over my face. So if anyone have any tips or home remedies, let me know. I prefer to use natural stuff than chemical creams or stuff like this. And for my brows, as usual, I'm just picking up my holy grail, which is Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and that was in shade 6. This time I used all of Benefit's brow products to do my brow highlight, everything. And I quite liked it. I actually have to use that more and more now because it was so easy and fast to do it. So basically for my brow highlight, I've used Benefit Cosmetics Highbrow. And this was, I believe it's in shade 2. I might be wrong, but I will write down in the product description below. And this is again a highbrow pencil, but this one has a little bit of a shimmer, so it was kind of like a glow highbrow, and I only used that in my arch where I wanted a little bit more pop. As usual, my eye base is going to be MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in shade a Soft Ochre, and I'm applying that with my Sigma 3D Precision brush. And to set my eye base, I always use Kat Von D translucent setting powder. For particularly eye base, this powder is absolutely amazing. For my eye look, I'm using BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel Collaboration Deluxe Edition palette, and I've just picked up the cream shade from the palette, and I use that to highlight or to set my brow bone and to set my inner corner. And now I'm picking up a like more I won't say it's a soft beige, it's more like a soft peach shade from the palette. It's the first shade from the palette, and I'm using that as a transition shade. So now I'm picking up the third shade from the first row, and I've just applied, I'll mix that with as in my transition as well. Now I'm picking up the 2 dark brown shades from the palette, and I'm just using that to deepen my crease and to intensify my outer V as well. And to do that, I'm using my Morphe brush. This brush is absolutely amazing to do this technique. The only thing is, I don't know what the number is because there is no number on this brush, but it's a part of a rose gold collection. So that particular collection, I'm really impressed from Morphe. It's just every single brush is absolutely stunning. Now I'm picking up the peach shimmered shade, which is the second shade from the first row, and I picked up that with my MAC 242 brush. And before I did that, I sprayed my brush with a little bit of a skin hydration mist as well. And to highlight my inner corner, I'm using the transition shade. I'm just literally packing that up with the ColourPop shader brush. I'm working on to get like a different software for my videos, so in future I'll try to put every single brush number and the brand on the actual footage, so you can see if I miss something, you can still see it there. For my eyeliner, I use a Maybelline's matte eyeliner. This one is absolutely amazing, and the brush is so good. It's so easy to work with. Even if you are an amateur in liquid liner, you will do it so easily. For my primer, I've used Too Faced Hangover primer. I love this because it's a really good one if you have a really dry skin when you need an extra boost of hydration. And I'm going to do a little bit of a color correcting for this look because I'm not going to do any like a highlight, like extra highlight for this look. So I'm just going to do a bit of a color correcting to cover all those nasty breakouts I have right now and the dark spots. and I've just used LAGirl Cosmetics Pro Conceal sticks in shade orange and green. Right now I'm absolutely obsessed with this foundation. I think this probably with the first foundation I actually going to finish within a month. This is a Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer, and the shade I use is neutral. Can you see the coverage? Like my face is totally covered with breakouts right now, and it just covered everything, and this is only a one layer. If you want extra coverage, you can just carry on topping as much as you want. And as I mentioned to you, I'm not going to do any extra highlight, so I went straight to the blush. And I'm loving this Benefit Cosmetics product. This is Fine and Fine. No, I always forget. It's Fine and Fine all in one. This is blush, cheek lip stain kind of thing, but I always only use it on my cheeks as a blush, and it automatically gives me a little bit of a bronzer as well. However, I added a little bit of a Georgio Armani Liquid Summer, and that's in shade 100. It's kind of like a liquid bronzer which turned into a powder when you start blending it. For my highlight, I didn't use any powder highlight. I only used a cream highlight, which is from Cover X Custom Enhanced Drops, and this is in shade Moonlight. Again, this is one of my favorite products right now. I'm absolutely loving this technique, the way I'm doing my makeup in this video, because it's so easy and so quick. And seriously, the whole day your face looks so glowing. It's absolutely amazing. I used very little amount of powder in this look, so you'll see me. I'm just only going to set the areas where I usually get a little bit oily, and for that I'm using my Tilbury Airbrush Flawless powder, and this is in shade medium. And I'm just putting that just to set my foundation a little bit, and on the areas where I usually get a little bit oily. Sorry about that. For my lower lash line, I have just used the dark brown shade to tightline the lower lash line, and I'm just blending that with same shade as my transition shade. For my waterline, I've used Maybelline gel liner, the Eye Studio gel liner in shade Blackest Black. And for my lip liner, I've used MAC Cosmetics lip liner in shade Spice. And the liquid lipstick I use for this look is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade Bittersweet. The Holiday Trio from Anastasia is one of my favorites right now. I am absolutely in love with those three shades. It's a collection of Hudson, Dazed, and Bittersweet, but these three shades are so stunning. I don't know if this collection is still available or not. You might want to check it out, but seriously, these colors are so universal and so amazing. Really good liquid lipsticks to work with. So good. And to set my brows, this time I used a new product. Going back to the lashes, I've used Mandy Lashes in Style Bombshell. For my mascara, I used Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm just doing my lower lashes, and I'm using same Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for that. I absolutely loving this mascara again. For my brows, I used new product from Maybelline. It's the brow gel from Maybelline, and this has actually a tone, like a color as well. So, and I really like the brush. It's kind of like a round from the front with the bristles. To set everything in place, I've used my Amore Pacific Skin Hydration Mist. Hope you guys like this look. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you guys in my next video. And before you leave, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like seeing me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day, everybody. Love you all. Bye.